Hey everyone, it's Sarah Photo here, and I am here setting up for the week of, oh god, now what, I messed it up, so I did a Sunday start, and now I'm very confused. For the week of Monday, December 3rd through the 9th, which is a Sunday, because I'm special like that. And I'm going to set up as kind of a hybrid weekly. It's a little different than what I normally do, and I'm going to do an ode to Honeydukes for this one. So I'm going to speed you through and talk at the end. All right, so that is it for my week setup. Basically, what I've done is I've done a very similar design to Amanda Rach Lee, who you can find on YouTube, and I'll link her down below, and on Instagram and all the things. So basically what I did is I just did an ode to the scene where Harry steals Neville's lollipop and then walks through Hogsmeade with it. It's in the third book / movie. And because he has his invisibility cloak. So it's just like a phantom lollipop just walking through the through Hogsmeade. So I decided to have Honeydukes here and then just have a little lollipop just kind of floating there. And then I'm doing kind of a daily, weekly hybrid setup for now. I'm not sure how crazy this week is going to get. So basically I have my priorities / events that I'm going to put in this top section here. I've left 5 spaces, and I'll be able to fit more than 5 if I do both halves. So kind of room for 10 spaces there. And then I have areas for the tasks below. I'm trying to keep things pretty simple. If I need to add a running task list, then I'm going to go ahead and just add it right back here. Like I said, in my monthly, this watercolor is the Starry colors from Kuretake. It's in the white gold, and so it just really gives that nice look of like fresh snowfall where it's just kind of glistening. So I like adding that to the spread. And then I'm trying to keep it a little simple because I'm just these last few weeks have been really, really tough on me. So I really need to be able to condense, I think, my tasks a little bit more and take care of myself a little bit more. So having those priorities there will really help me single out the few activities that I need to do. And if other things get done below that line, then that is a plus, not a negative. So that's where I'm at right now. I hope you guys like this little scene here, and I will see you on Wednesday. Have a great one, everyone.